Hello guys, today we have the 2024 newest Android 13 tablet. This is made by Qukenk. Okay, so these are all the accessories that this tablet comes with, which is the stylus, charging cable, charging box, adapter, USB-C to USB-A. Here is the mouse. The mouse will need AAA batteries. This right here will be the USB adapter to install on the tablet so that way the mouse works. Screen protector. This is the case for it. It's a trifold. This is a TPU cover. We have our keyboard right here. And we have finally our tablet. The tablet does already come with a screen protector installed. Okay, this is just an extra one. It's a 10-inch 10.1 to be exact. It does have a powerful octa-core processor. Internally, it has 64 gigabytes of memory and it has 4 gigabytes of RAM memory, which makes it very, very powerful. It has a 6,000 milliampere battery, which that will be about 10 hours of use. You can see the screen is very clear. It's a 1080 HD display, which has 1280 by 800 resolution. Okay, it's very responsive. And as you press, everything pops up. So the tablet is very fast. The tablet does come with a 13 megapixel camera on the back and a 5 megapixel camera on the front. Okay, so we're going to connect the keyboard to the tablet, which is going to be Bluetooth. So we're going to just practically turn it on. And we're going to press the connect button. We're going to look for the keyboard 3.0. We're going to allow and pair. And it's connected. Let's go ahead and test the keyboard real quick. So we're going to install our AAA batteries right there. We're going to go ahead and take out the USB. We're going to use our connector from USB-C to USB-A. We're going to install this here and practically put this on this port right here. Make sure that it's on. And now we have a mouse. It does come equipped with the latest 4G frequency band. It's a 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, so it will work with any Wi-Fi. You can also use the stylus to actually touch in the tablet and make it easier. You can definitely use this tablet for work, for studying, or even as a casual use. This tablet is just perfect. It has it all. I hope you like this video, and I see you on the next one.